we need to adjust the time needed for the welding. And you can see for this control panel, for this button, it is the editor. The editor. We press this editor button for a long time. Press for a long time. Then you can see this signal flashes. It means we enter into the editor mode. So we can press this increase button to increase the time needed. This is 1 second. Yeah, 1 second. We press the increase button 1.1 seconds. 1.2 seconds, 1.3, 1.4. If we need to reduce the time, we need to press this downward button. This is 1.2 seconds. 1.2 seconds is usually applied onto the aluminum foil pouch. As you can see, this small pouch, aluminum foil pouch. And then we have set the time needed. Then we press this editor again. This is, we do not need to change. We do not make any change. We press again, you can see not change. 4, like no change. 5, we change. And press again. Then the time period it is set. Yeah. 1.2 seconds.